Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So, everyone, welcome back to Daily Conversation Part 10. So, today we are learning some fun and natural English phrases that people often use when making travel plans. Let's start with a short scene between two friends. So, the person A says, "We should totally get away this weekend." So, get away means take a short vacation. The person B replied, "Yes, a road trip would be just what the doctor ordered." So, just what the doctor ordered means exactly what you need. The person A says, "Where should we go? I am open to anything." So, open to anything means willing to consider any option. The person B replied, "How about the lake? It's off the beaten path." Off the beaten path means not a popular or common place. So the person A says again, "Sounds perfect. Let's pack light and leave early." So pack light means bring very few items. The person B replied, "I am in. Let's make it happen." So great job today. You learned 5 useful travel expressions. Get away, just what the doctor ordered, open to anything, off the beaten path, and pack light. Next time you are planning a trip with friends, try using these phrases to sound more natural in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your dream weekend getaway. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.